What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be talking about Palantir because this is a massive day, so let's get into it. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. I do all sorts of videos like Palantir, portfolio updates once a week on a Sunday, and other stocks to be honest with you, like CCRV, NEO, Binary Genomics, all sorts to be honest. So if you want to check that out, then subscribe to this channel and you can keep up to date with that. I want to give a like goal. I want to see if we can set it. It's going to be ridiculous and crazy, but can we hit 60 likes? That's insane. So if you're here right now watching me, obviously hit that like button. I want to see if we can hit 60 likes. That'd be much appreciated. Anyway, the market's about to open, so I want to do a live recording of me buying some stock of Palantir shares. As I did say in my videos, these are the target buy zones that I want to buy at the $25 mark, and at the moment we're at $24.94 pre-market, so I want to do a little live recording of me buying. The plan is, I don't think I'm going to buy a full load. I'm going to ease it in because I think tomorrow could be a bit of a bad day as well. And this is the other thing, lockup period. I've been told so many different times and days, and it's kind of annoying, and it's to the point where I think most people don't actually know, but I've got a feeling it's today. Because as you can see, Palantir faces big test as 80% of shares unlocked for trading 18th of February. This could be a bit of a crazy day, and that's why I want to record it for you guys. So let's quickly get on my Trading 212 app. That's the brokerage account I use. I'm also going to show you some news on Palantir after this little section, as I want to update you guys on what's happening with Cathie, what she's thinking, if ARK investors have bought more, which they have, and I'll show you that, and another price upgrade. So I'll show you all that after this. Right, we're on Palantir. The market's about to open any minute. Are we ready? Pre-market saying just below $25. Can we quick? I would love to get it under $25. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be buying half, and then we'll see how the market reacts later today or tomorrow. So stay tuned on my channel to see if I bought more. Right, can we buy it under $25? It's not going through. Typical, isn't it? Oh, there we go. There we go. My price target, my price triggers are going off right now. Come on, I want to buy this. Oh, it's all going crazy. What's happening? I bought the shares, okay, I've bought some shares now. Right, that was a bit of a manic start to the video. I thought I'd share that with you because I was thinking, do I just share it with you or should I just not bother, because what's the point? But I thought it'd be quite interesting, exciting to maybe share that with you. But anyway, I have got a bit more money on the sidelines just in case if it does go back to that $25 mark or under, because we might see that tomorrow as well. So who knows? But at the moment, I think we're at $26.13, so it's gone up $1 since we bought. If you guys did end up buying at the $25 mark price target that I did actually say yesterday, obviously I'm not a financial advisor, but I did see it going to the $25 mark. You can look at previous videos if you want. So hopefully you guys did get into the stock then. That's awesome if you did. No worries if you didn't, because we might see it again tomorrow possibly, or even, to be honest with you, today we might even see a $22 mark. Like, if it gets to that point, that's when you just buy. Like, obviously I'm not a financial advisor, I don't know why I'm like saying it like that, because that's what I will be doing. This is just for entertainment purposes, as they say, obviously. Anyway, I'm getting distracted. So we have had a buy rating and an price increase from Goldman Sachs, which is awesome. They actually had a target of $13 a share, which is just a joke, to be honest with you. Now it's at $34 a share. So they are having a price target of $34 a share, which is awesome to hear and see, especially if you bought it at that $25 mark. Well done to you guys. I also want to share you this really cool video from Cathie, as we do cover ARK Invest buying into the stock. I just want to play you this video on what she thinks and her thoughts with Palantir, so I'll play you the video right now.
Let me ask you about Palantir, which we just found out you've added to. Can you tell our viewers why you added rather significantly to your stake in Palantir?
Yes, they reported yesterday, and the stock was down on the report. It's interesting to listen to the CEO. He was speaking our language. He essentially said to investors, you know, we are playing in a massive space here, and we're going to invest aggressively now in order to capitalize on the exponential changes that are taking place here. So if you are short-term in your focus, you probably don't want to spend too much time investing in Palantir. So that's music to our ears, because, and we do believe more and more companies are going to start behaving in this way instead of catering to short-term time horizons and we would say in some cases short-sighted shareholders who are much more interested in profits now, dividends now, share repurchases now, than they are in a company investing aggressively, foregoing short-term profitability in order to really catch some very big waves out there. So I'm astonished. Their revenues are still 61% government, but I've learned, and I think most people in the innovation space have learned over time, that some of the most important innovations in our lifetimes have started in the government, especially in the defense sector and in the intelligence sector. So we think in many ways, and they won't talk about how, but they're certainly garnering a lot of business, which tells us that they are seeing in the future and investing in the future in ways that companies, governments, but increasingly companies are going to need, especially as we're competing against China. I think we've been, again, with this short-term time horizon, we have not been spending enough in innovation. And so, Palantir's attitude is refreshing. It's exactly how we invest. We want our companies to invest aggressively. We don't want profits now. We want them to invest aggressively because we're moving into many winner-take-most markets. And the autonomous taxi world is a very good example of that. That is why our confidence in Tesla, going back to the largest position in our portfolio, is so high.
So yeah, that's what Cathie Woods thinks of Palantir and how much she believes in Palantir, which is really cool to hear and see. Yeah, what are your thoughts on that video? Leave in the comments below. And it's awesome that we've got a back-in of Cathie Woods, because she bought at Tesla when it was cheap. So she's back in Palantir. There's some good hope there, especially with the buying she has been buying. That does not make sense, but she bought $45 million worth of Palantir the other day, and she bought more today, which I'm going to show you right now. She's probably bought more, to be honest with you, at that $25 mark, but the thing doesn't update straight away. But yeah, she bought $1.2 million worth yesterday at the $27 mark, which is a good price to buy at. It still is, obviously, but I think today they probably would have bought some today, so I'll let you guys know tomorrow if they did at all, because that'll be interesting to see how much they bought. I thought I'd just do this video because I wanted to update you guys. I'm kind of excited, I'm not gonna lie, because this is just such a good opportunity. I think when it's March time, end of March time, we'll be rewarding ourselves and being really happy with what we did. So hopefully you guys did get into this awesome dip. George Soros, I can't say his name, but he has like 2% in Palantir and he wants to sell, so he can sell now with the lockup period. So that's going to obviously make the stock go down quite a lot. So just look at this as a buying opportunity. Obviously, like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research in Palantir. If you believe in Palantir, then this is such a good buying opportunity. But anyway, I thought I'd make this little video to update you guys on what I've been doing, what I've done, and what Cathie Woods thinks. And I'll see you guys in my next video. And hopefully we'll have some good news more with Palantir. I don't think that makes sense. But anyway, subscribe if you're new, give this video a like. Can we hit that 60 like goal? And yeah, I'll see you guys later.